guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new, then please feel free to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see, because I would love for you to join my little family. Today I'm going to be playing about with the new KIRSTY MEAKIN acrylic nail brushes. I'm going to be doing the nail art side of things. You guys will have already seen the pride nails. Oh no, actually I think the pride nails are coming up after this video. So in the pride nails I show you literally me using the acrylic side, the acrylic brush. In this video I'm going to be using the Mia Secret white powder, and I'm going to be doing some 3D work. I'm also going to be using a black and a white acrylic paint, and I'm going to be doing some like one stroke and line painty work stuff. So as you can see here, this is the 3D brush that I'm using right now. If you want to see the size 12, which is on the other end of this brush, check out the Pride Nails video, and also a lot of videos in the future I will be using that brush, so there'll be lots to see. There's also a full review slash demo on all of the brushes, all sides of the 4 brushes, and that is already up on this channel, so go check that out if you haven't already. So as you can see here, I'm basically just this is the first time I've ever done 3D work, so totally new to it, had no idea what I was doing, but this brush made it really easy for me. I really enjoyed using it, and I'm just taking a nice size bead of the white and placing it on the nail, and then just kind of like working with it and molding it into how I want it, basically. I just did this video really so I could show you how the brush works and a little bit of nail art fun, basically, and I really enjoyed doing it, so I'm hopefully going to be doing a lot more of 3D work and one stroke work in the future, and just practicing as much as I can. Some of you guys will have seen this video live. I do film a lot of my videos live before I edit them. That way I get to chat with you guys, and some of you get to see like kind of like a first look before it gets edited. So yes, but thank you to everyone who is supporting this channel. You guys literally mean the world to me, and I'm so happy with this group that we've got, and yeah, I love you guys so much. So once I got those 4 petals on, I did think that we needed to cover up like the middle, so I just went in with slightly smaller beads, and I'm just going to do another couple of little petals, trying to keep it as flat as I can basically, but with it still being nice and 3D. Finally, I'm just going to go in with a really small bead, which was really easy to pick up with this brush, and I'm just going to pop that in the centre and then put a little hole in the middle. Again, just really easy to do with this brush. It was so easy to work with, and yeah, I just loved it. Then I'm just taking a tiny little black crystal and popping that in the centre just to make the flower. Right, okay you guys, so I'm going to keep it real with you guys. You know that I am real. I could have left this bit out, but I wanted you guys to see it. This just goes horribly wrong. I tried to do a leaf. I don't really know what I was thinking in my head. So I'm a very arty person, but I like to copy things. I don't like to pull things out of my own head. I like to copy things. And with this, I was just kind of making it up. The flower I'd watched be done, and I kind of knew where I was going. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos with that. And then I thought, I'll just pop a leaf on here and look at it. What is that? It's just like a mush. Oh, it's just, what is that, guys? So if you were in the live video, you will have seen my frustration with this. But yeah, I definitely wanted to keep it in because, like I say, I'm totally real with you guys, and I just show you how it is, basically. And then I thought I'll try and add a little bit of something to the flower. And I do think that this worked. Like, those little lines I've put on there were rubbish, and I do change that in a minute. But then I managed to water down my acrylic paint. Oh my god, yeah. So if you guys were in the live, you will remember I had a little dapping dish with monomer in and a little dapping dish with water in. And I thought I was watering down the acrylic paint. No, I was dipping in the freaking monomer. What a div. So yeah, I finally figured out that I was using monomer instead of water, and I started it. And I just think that the shading just adds a little bit of something, like these black and white flower. I just think it's cute. So yeah, in the end, I was happy with it. So I'm just basically, yeah, taking a little bit of very watered down acrylic paint and just putting it where I want it on the flower, basically. And the leaf was just, oh my god, you guys, this leaf was, it's not a leaf. It's not even a leaf. I don't know what it is. It's just a mess. But yeah, I liked the flower though, so it's all good, right? Hopefully you guys are getting some kind of informativeness from this, and you can kind of at least just see the brushes in action. Obviously, you guys, I'm sure, will do a much better job with these brushes than I did. But as a beginner and someone who's like not done this before, not like good at it, these brushes are really easy to work with, and they just make it nice and easy to start off with, I guess. And obviously, if you're a pro, then you're gonna love these brushes because yeah, they're awesome. So I'm now moving on to the one stroke art side of the arty brush, and I've literally just dipped in the black and the white and blended it, like mushed it up and down to blend it together. And this is basically what I'm doing. I'm just trying to do a rose here, basically. I was actually really pleased with how it turned out. And like I said, this is my first time doing one stroke. So yeah, I think this brush was really easy to work with. I really like the size of it. It's not too big and not too small. It's a really, really good size. Obviously, Kirsty is gonna know what she's doing when it comes to making brushes. Like, obviously she is. She's, you know, you guys, I don't even need to say. Like, we all know how amazing Kirsty is with her art, and she obviously knew exactly how big the brush needed to be and all of that jazz. So yeah, I'm basically just going around in like sort of half circular motions and just trying to make the rose, really. And I think it just is so easy to do like a 3D effect like this, and I don't know, I was really happy how it turned out, to say it was my first one. So yeah, I'm then going in with the other side, which is a really, really, really fine like detailing side, and I'm taking a little bit of white and I'm just going around some of the edges just to bring it out just that little bit more. But I do think that actually did make it look better. Like, doing this did help. It did make it look even more like 3D and cool. So I really wanted to be able to show you guys a little bit more by using the detailed striping side. So I just decided to just go in and do some lines, basically. I think that's probably something that this brush would be used for, like, quite a lot, is doing lines. So I thought I'll just at least show you guys the brush in action. Like I've said in this video, I'm not a pro at this. I've never even done, like, I don't even think I've ever done freehand lines before. So I was basically just going with the flow I watch a lot of YouTube videos, you know. All I do is sit and watch YouTube videos, so that's basically what I did. And yeah, I just thought I'll show you guys the brush making some lines. So that's what I'm doing here. It's not exciting, it's not amazing, but yeah, the brush is really, really good. And I think had I used a bet, like this paint was quite thick and difficult to work with. So if I'd have used like a polish or something else, it would have been awesome. So I'm now going in and trying, bless my little heart, trying to fix this disastrous leaf thing. And I wanted to have another little play with the 3D brush, so you know, it's all good. So yeah, I'm basically just going in and trying to put some smaller leaves on top of the big leaf that's not even really a leaf. But yeah, as you can see, it's really easy to pick up different size beads with this brush. And I was able to get smaller little beads and stuff. So yeah, it was really, really good brush. And I cannot wait to do some more 3D work now. By the way, guys, this video is totally not sponsored. I just really, really like these brushes. So yeah, once I finished my 3D art and my one-stroke art, I'm just going in with a top coat and I'm just gonna top coat all of the nails. Somebody said that I should have top coated the rose in matte, but I really like it shiny, so yeah, defo. And yeah, that is it, guys. This is the finished results. This is I really like the rose. I think the rose is my favourite bit. But yeah, that's just a little show of the brushes in action. Like I said, there is a full-on review of it where I show little clips of this video and little clips of the actually applying the acrylic as well as the full set of nails. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and maybe it's let you know whether you want to go purchase these brushes or not. You can find Kirsty on Facebook and you will be able to find out how to go and buy them. You just need to send her the payment by PayPal and your address and she'll send you them. So I love you guys so much. Your support means everything. Like and subscribe and leave comments down below. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!